Once upon a time, in a land filled with magical creatures, there lived a little dragon named Drako. Drako was unlike any other dragon. He was smaller than the rest, and his scales shone with a brilliant shade of azure. Despite his size, Drako had a heart full of courage and a burning desire to prove himself. One sunny morning, as he gazed out over the rolling hills of his homeland, Drako felt a deep longing to go on a grand adventure. He yearned to explore the vast world beyond the dragon's lair, a world filled with mystery and wonder. With newfound determination, Drako set out on his big quest. He soared through the skies, leaving the familiar behind. Along the way, he encountered friendly forest creatures who shared tales of ancient forests, hidden treasures, and legendary heroes. As he ventured further, Drako came across a village plagued by a fearsome beast. With his courageous heart, he decided to help the villagers. With a clever strategy and a few well-placed bursts of his fiery breath, he defeated the beast and saved the day. The grateful villagers cheered for the little dragon and gifted him a magical amulet. This amulet, they said, had the power to unlock the secrets of the ancient forest. Drako's quest continued as he ventured deep into the mystical woods, solving riddles, overcoming challenges, and discovering the wisdom of the forest's ancient trees. Through his journey, Drako made many friends, from a mischievous squirrel who guided him through the treetops to a wise owl who shared his knowledge of the world. Drako's courage and kindness made him a hero in their eyes. Finally, after many adventures and trials, Drako reached the heart of the ancient forest. With the magical amulet, he unlocked the greatest secret of all, the knowledge of how to bring harmony to the land, uniting all the magical creatures and their unique powers. Drako returned to his homeland, now a little dragon no more, but a hero of epic proportions. He shared the wisdom he had gained and used his newfound powers to create a haven where all creatures, big and small, could live together in peace. And so, the little dragon's big quest came to an end, leaving a legacy of unity, courage, and the boundless potential that lies within every heart, no matter the size. Thank you for following. Please subscribe to receive all new updates. See you in the next story.